This is the all-winner here at Dillard's, Beachwood Place, Beachwood, Ohio. It's Montgomery, KONE. Here it is. Still got the hideous care. Oh, the fan is off. When you took the Dillard sign off the door. Here you go. Here 3. That is an epic motor. I'm taking this for another round trip. Let's go 1. Good cab on the way down. Still got that ugly cab. It's not my favorite elevator, but honestly, it actually runs a lot better than it did last time. Here's the phone. That's these 3,500 pounds. You're 1. Go back up to 3. We'll end it up there. Want to hear that motor again. Here 3. Watch it close, and that'll be it.